guys, I want to give you a quick demo of a move I originally learned from surf coach Matt Scorringe from the Art of Surfing. We run women's surf camps together and it's one of the best moves he's ever shown me. If you want to increase your pop-up speed, generate speed early on in the wave and conserve energy, I highly recommend you watch this video. So the concept of the 1-2 pop-up is instead of pushing your entire body off the board to get your feet underneath your body, we actually do it in a 1-2 stage by popping up the back foot and then sneaking through that front foot. So what I've done here is I've marked on the floor the highest point at which your back foot should be coming up. For longboarders, you've got a little bit more room to work with. Imagine that this edge is the end of your board. For shortboarders, you would have your feet hanging off the board. So let's start with a longboard demonstration. 2 feet go on the edge of the board. We want to lift up, and the 1 is in, popping your back foot in, and then the 2 is forward, popping the back foot forward and landing in that pop-up stance. Again, I'll show you a little faster. So longboard, toe on the edge of the board, lifting up, 1, 2, and you're there. The next maneuver is for shortboarders, and this is where you'd be hanging your toes off the edge of the board and you're leveraging off your knees to pop up. Ideally, longboarders, you want to do this too eventually, but understandably, when you're a beginner to intermediate, you need to build that strength up. So as a shortboarder, you would lift up, 1, effectively your foot would be on the tail pad, 2. Again, a little faster, 1, 2, and you're there. Always keeping the weight forward, nose over knees, over toes. And before you go, I wanted to share with you that I will be doing a 1-2 pop-up workout, 4-piece workout that is going to help you break down the 1-2 pop-up movement, build strength and speed, and connect your brain with your body.